guys, it's me Sophie from the Unicorn Squad, and today I'm here with
Poppy from the Popsicle Squad.
And today we're going to be playing with Gloopy Slime. We've already got ours out. It's like jelly. It's not stretchy.
It's rippy.
It's
actually mine's kind of a bit stretchy.
And literally, if you poke it doesn't.
There's not really a clicky sound. It's kind
not
of just
clicky. It's like a teeny bit clicky.
Mine doesn't rip as much as Sophie's. Like mine does.
Mine rips easily.
So today we're going to be trying different challenges as well as playing it.
Yeah.
So the first challenge is to attempt to make a slime bubble,
which is very hard with a slime.
So what we're going to...
Guys, first, go subscribe to my channel.
Whack me in the face.
Hit the bell button and give this video a big thumbs up. Do the same to her channel. So we're going to get into the first challenge.
Actually, no, let's do the farting challenge first. That's easy.
Oh, okay. It's easy for me because she's like, how do you do that?
Oh no, it all falls in. Oh. Okay, I don't know if you can hear it, but we're going to have to be really quiet.
That's going to be confusing. Oh!
No joke, it actually sounds like water and it moves like water, as you can tell.
Yeah, it's like liquid, look. Except the thing is, it's bouncing.
It's a bit like slime with like loads of water, but then like you I don't know, haven't added it.
It's probably like jiggly slime, but with like no glue.
Yeah, it's probably. You're going to chuck that in my face.
Wait, I know a way to make it pop.
Anyway, bubble challenge. Okay, so first I'm just going to carefully pour it onto my tray and then just let it spread.
I'm just going to wait for it.
So I'm just letting it pour itself out of the pot. Oh wow, that went. Okay, I'm going to do that again because I kind of tipped it too much. Okay, so
and look at this, guys. If you press down on it with your jumper,
it sticks.
But there's no mark.
Deathle. Oh, that almost got in the face. Okay. Oh no, it's gonna go into the mark. Oh no, I don't want it to do that. I'm gonna put it here.
Wait. Oh, it popped again.
Oh, that was weird. Did you hear that?
What?
When it was pouring out, it scraped along the side. Oh, look, mine's spreading. I don't know what you can't see.
Look at this, guys. Watch.
We're gonna pick up the camera and show you our slimes. Okay. You go first.
So, that is my slime, and that is her slime.
Just waiting for it to, spread.
She's got more because I keep it in like a little box, and I think what happened was I left it open a bit and then it spilt all over the box and now it's around the edges and it's dried. So I'm just going to wait for this to...
So mine's pretty spread out right
Yeah,
now.
hers is pretty spread out. Mine is like a jelly thing.
Okay, I'm going to try and make a bowl. Can I just overtake this spot?
Wait there. She's going to show you how much.
Oh, it made a little one.
It made a little bubble. Wait there.
There's a little tiny bubble. You can't tell.
There.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And then. Okay. So I'm just gonna wait for a bit.
I'm just gonna do CPR.
Wait for me. Don't overlap one.
Well, I've made a bubble now, so I don't need to do the challenge. I'll just play.
Yeah, she can just play well.
I might attempt to make another bubble, and if I make a better one, then obviously I'll show you. Whoa, you can do it now. Oh, you went too slow. We need to fix that hole.
Wait.
Yeah, but not really. My sister's not really a slime bubble person. She doesn't really know how to make them. Look, do you want me to see if I can make one with yours? Oh, no, man. Because it's got a hole in it. Won't work.
Oh, yeah, I made one. So guys.
Oh my gosh, you have two. One there.
Oh yeah, I made two.
They can see
So, basically I made one there.
I made one.
And
Another one. This slime's like the best for making
And
bubbles.
then there's one. Wait there. Where am I? Hey, there's one.
Sorry, I popped
Where is
it.
it? There.
Here.
There's one there.
Hang on, I'll just.
Oh, and there's. Oh, wait.
Oh, there was one here.
Oh, there was one there.
And
then there's one there. And there was one there.
Oh.
So we both did that challenge.
Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do.
I have to put mine back in the container.
Basically, I don't know what you call this.
What?
Not what I'm doing, but you put it in the pot and then you put it on your face with your mouth shut.
What, like that?
Yeah, but you have to put it in the pot first. So shut your mouth, by the way. Oh, I can't do it, but what you have to do is you have to try and make it into the shape of the container.
How are you supposed to do that?
Exactly. But I feel like that should be a challenge. Oh my god, you can't even see what I'm doing. It just
Wait,
makes
I know how to make it in the shape of the container.
What am I doing?
I know how to make it in the shape of the container. Right. So.
Oh my god, I did it and then it got up my nose. Not literally, but it felt like it was.
I made it in the shape of the container.
Look.
Put it round the container. Like that!
It pops off. It's annoying. Because you have to try and quickly remove it. Okay, you ready?
You have to remove it quickly, like this.
Oh!
Mm.
This is not going to be in the shape of the container, is it? Oh. That hurt my lip.
But it didn't fall.
Okay, so now I'm going to try and make a sandcastle type thing. Go. Oh.
Wait.
Mum's photos. I don't know.
I'm just going to leave it there for a while because...
Huh? 1, 2, 3. Oh no,
Wait.
It came out.
Mine makes a sandcastle. Mine makes a sandcastle.
Oh.
Mine made a sandcastle. Oh no, it broke. One, two, three. Mine's...
Oh, I can't do it without it leaking out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't do it without it leaking out. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. No.
It's easier if you have this amount of sun.
Yeah, well.
Take them out.
Oh, no, because I have to try to do a full.
Don't break. Oh my god, guys, I made it.
Technically.
I'm going to stand you up a bit.
Oh, no.
I technically did it. I'm going to try and move it without it falling. And it fell. But it's still in, like, kind of shape. All you have to do is put it at the bottom.
Oh,
Tip it over.
doing.
Poppy, do this.
I don't really.
Go. Do you want me to turn it over?
No.
Just literally just go like this.
No joke. This is what's happening to me.
Yeah, that's what's happening to her. It's not happening to me. Because I'll show you why it's not happening.
That should makes you look. Dad, that makes you look so pregnant. Dad. Ow.
So, mine is easier because my slime is like halfway up, so that's
I have an idea.
and then you can literally have more time.
Oh no! Oh, that's such an
Wait.
No!
Wait, who can make the bestest sneeze? I bet it's you because yours is good.
You.
Wait.
Look, I have an empty hand. That was such a weird face. Huh?
I have empty hands.
Oh. Hang on, I'm gonna... Oh, no, your bum fell.
My eye got pink sugar.
You must be a blooming unicorn or whatever they are.
I am a unicorn. That's why I'm called the unicorn. Where's my unicorn squad?
Look. Oh, hang on, never mind.
Guys,
Okay.
look.
That
this
trick didn't work.
This is not actual slime. Look, guys, look.
Look, empty hand. Little bit on my finger. Don't know why that's there. Anyway, empty hand and 3, 2. I don't even grab any. Oh, a 2.
Yeah, that's
so bad.
Wait, I want to see her.
No, get off. It's evaporator. Anyway, I'm just gonna play
So
with
guys,
my slime.
empty hand.
Oh, look at that! It's like a colander.
Now.
So we look at that slime bubble. It's like a colander. Oh.
Jump!
Wait, I didn't know she took some of my slime. Sophie, I'm trying to...
Oh, guys, look at this. Look at this. Use your own container.
Wait, give it.
Give me your container. Hey, you go pick that up now.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
No.